Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V21 and let me share with you how to manage Google account on this device. So how to turn it on or off, I mean how to add or remove it. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the accounts. As you can see here, we've got also the Google section, and of course you can add or remove Google account using it, but I personally prefer to do it using accounts. So let me tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the Google account, which has been previously added to this device. So first of all, let me show you how to remove the Google account from the device. So let's tap on it simply and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account, and as you can see, that's all, it immediately disappears. Of course, if you will have the password, I mean the pattern PIN or the password, then your device probably will require you to enter it to confirm. So right now I can show you how to add the account, and it's very simple. All you have to do is to simply tap on add account, choose obviously Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, of course. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, let's tap on next. Right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so if you'd like to read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, our Google account has been immediately added to this device. So actually this is it. This is how to manage Google account in your VIVO V21. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.